Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag, kinda, sorta Polybag. Now, this is one of those weird ones. I'm not 100% sure if this really counts as a Polybag, but I kinda like it, so I'm going to do it as if it were a Polybag. But when I was looking around online, it says this is it's a promotional piece, and it's from like Lego stores as a gift with purchase from November 2019. So I'm not 100% sure if this should officially count or not, because if you look on the back at the packaging, it kind of has like some of the comic book bag closures, where it's not a poly bag you open like one of the other ones. But I did think this was an awful cool set, so it doesn't really hurt my feelings if it counts as a poly bag. Now, finding this one might be a little more... I'll include links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. But for this particular one, you may have to turn to Bricklink specifically, or maybe eBay for this particular set. And number-wise, this is listed as 6313092. So that's the set number, which is kind of not a normal set either. Anyway, I thought it was really cool though, because I like the surfer van idea, and I wanted to take a look at it. Now, there's also a link to Brickset where you can find information about this set, and that's where I found out a bit of the info. Can't talk. That's where I found some of the info about it being a gift purchase. And it wasn't super expensive when I found it. I want to say it was under $10, which, I mean, it's 65 pieces. It was maybe $7 or $8, something like that. Brickset lists the current value at $8, so I'm pretty sure I got it for somewhere in that ballpark. And comes in with a minifig too. You get a surfer dude, and here's our buddy the surfer dude with his surfer hair and his completely normal red legs, and he's supposed to have a binocular, which is around somewhere. Not seeing the binoculars. Oh, I see the binoculars. They're hiding out. They're hiding in there. Alright, so our buddy the surfer dude has a pair of binoculars. Oops. Our buddy the surfer dude has a pair of binoculars. Like so. Alright, so he's hanging out over there. Now we got to put together his ride. One thing I am curious about, I don't think he'll actually fit in his ride, but we can try it and see. Alright, let's slide this stuff over there. And let's take a look at the instructions. Alright, we handled the hard part. We put his head on. Okay, so we got the chassis, and we flip it over, and we attach this here. Alright, that was tough. So now, these are like, I want to say they're lime green pieces. We got a couple of these, like so. And these go on the sides. And by the way, there's a piece in here. This one, I don't think I've ever actually seen this particular piece before. Kind of cool. That's what the roof's going to be made out of, I believe. Alright. So we got those. And then this goes here. And this goes here. And then we pop on the wheel wells. Also the stylish lime green. And the steering wheel. Actually, he might be able to fit in here. We'll see soon. I'm trying to keep it so y'all can see the instructions and the pieces that are awaiting us, but they don't all want to fit on the screen at the same time. Alright, so we got to do the front of the car, the van, the surfer van. And so he has sort of a pearl gold sort of, you know, bling license plate thing. And oh, this is going to be the back license plate, not the front, because these are brake lights. Yeah, that works. Alright, and now we got these to hold that on, like so. And that is going on the front. Now we got to give them some doors. So door number 1 and door number 2 go right there and right there, like so. And then this goes here. That takes care of that. Now let's see what we got. We got 2 mirrors, I think. These are going to be the mirrors. Alright. It's kind of interesting. So there. And these are our rear view mirrors. Or our side mirrors. And I'm going to go right there. And the other one, make sure I position it right. It's going to go like so. Kind of like that. And then like so. It's looking pretty good so far. So I just got the 2 mirrors. And then we got to do the front. We got 2 of these. Like so. And like so. And that takes care of that. And now we got to do the front grill part. So this goes here. And then we have a grill. A front grill. And 2 more headlights. Like so. And we're going to have, we have one of these round slope things as the bumper. Ah, it's looking good so far. Alright. I jumped ahead of things, but then we put on the bumper. And next, we got a couple of these. Go on here and here. And this goes on the front, like so. Takes care of that. And then that goes there. And this goes here. And then on the back. And on the back. I'm assuming the windshield is next. Alright, so this goes here. This goes here. And then these 2 go right here and here. Right there. And right there. Make sure those line up nice. And then we put the windshield on right there. And the roof goes on top. And for the roof, we're going to have our surfboard. Alright. So the thing I want to test though is I'm pretty sure he can get in the car. I wasn't thinking he'd be able to, but it looks like he can. Let's get rid of the binoculars for a second and see if he can sit in the car. Oh wow, he fits. That's awesome. He fits in his little surfer van. That's super cool. Alright. Alright, we're going to take him out of the surfer van there for now. We don't want to lose him in there. Alright, so we put the roof on the surfer van. We pop some wheels on it. And we put the surfboard back on. Like so. That is a cool little surfer van. And we have no extra pieces left, which is kind of cool. Alright. So we got our surfer dude with his binoculars. And we have a surf van. That is really cool. Alright. That's kind of a neat little set. Anyway, if you are interested in this, there's links in the description where you can find it. Probably, though, for this one, you might have to hunt around a little bit. And Bricklink or eBay may be your best bet. Anyway, this is neat. I like this one a lot. It's really cool looking. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.